Today's video I'm going to show you how to top the pressure up on a Vogue Combi 40 if it's ever dropped. As you can see, the pressure on this has gone down to 0 and you'll get a warning sign on here saying low water pressure. To top it up, all you have to do is go underneath the boiler. On the right hand side underneath you've got two blue knobs. You need to turn that one towards you and then that one towards you and you'll hear water running. Get that running until that goes to about between 1 and 2, so about 1.5 will be perfect. And once that gets over just about 1, you'll see that screen will go back to normal. There you go. Just done it now, just below 1. Just want to get it up about 1.5. Once it gets back to about 1.5, you then want to turn these back off. They're both like that. Once that's done, ready to rock and roll again.